Okay, I'm here with the individual that was arrested last night on the 29th of August, just talking to him a little bit about what happened. I'm noticing that he has some injuries on his fingers. I'm just gonna look there. What did they tell you about the injury? What happened there?
I got a sprain right here in my hand, and then I have a puncture in my elbow.
A puncture in your elbow?
From hitting the concrete.
Gotcha. And while you were in the police car or detained anytime during that, did they ever offer you medical assistance?
No.
Negative. Okay.
And I asked to speak with their supervisor, and they didn't bring him over to me. And I also asked for my lawyer, and they didn't call him or let them be present.
Okay. When you asked for, I heard you asked for your lawyer, and I was over by the car when that happened. Did they continue to question you after that?
No, they never questioned me about anything.
They never did after that. Okay, that's the one thing they did correct, because when you ask for your lawyer, the questioning is supposed to cease.
Yes.
So they did do that correctly. The supervisor came out and talked to me, wouldn't comment on anything, especially after we saw you being taken away, and I questioned what you were being taken to jail for. They wouldn't comment, even though it's going to be public record.
Right.
You know, I was able to log in and look it up now. Interference with the law enforcement officer is what was charged here. When were you released?
Last night.
Last night? You got out pretty quickly? OR bond. They didn't charge you anything? I saw it was a 500 OR. I wasn't really clear on how that goes.
Yeah, they just let me go right when I got here.
And I saw you have a court date. Do you have an attorney?
I'm looking for him right now.
Okay.
I talked to David's Law, but
I'll give you a card of a local attorney here in town that I've used and I still use. I've got active cases that I'm dealing with because of my activities. So, not specifically about the case, but are there any comments that you want to make about what happened last night?
just that it shouldn't have happened, and I mean, I would have went willingly if I would have been known what I was being charged for, and it was just bullshit.
Fair enough.
That happened.
Fair enough. I'm going to post this up just so everybody can hear a little bit from you and see your injuries. I was very upset that they did not call for medical to come check on you. That is a severe problem, and officers should not be allowed to make those decisions. If you've seen my videos, the videos that I've posted, this is a history with them, that they decide who's going to get medical or who's not. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this, and we'll post this up later today. Thanks, guys.